Hey guys, this is Jamie and Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do the Christmas in July collab with Gravie21. This is week 2, and the whole goal is to create Christmas themed items in July. So in the description box below, you will have Gracie's channel as well as the other ladies who are participating. So definitely make sure after you watch this video, after you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share, woohoo! that you go check out the other ladies over there. And also, if you are interested in writing or journaling or One Book July, Camp Nano, head over to my other channel, which is poetspice, biblio, scribe, where you can check out some of my writing and so forth. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to go through is a set of embellishments. So I used my Hexy Punch. I used this die set here that says Best Wishes. What else did I use? I gotta get it back out. I used this Christmas tree in this Christmas stepper card. And I also use these Moonstone dies from Hunky, Dory. Try to get that glare off. I use these two little fairies on this one and that one here. So I use those two for this. And I just created some embellishments that you could put on your cards. So again, I just took the Hexy and I cut it like 5 times, layered it up, put some paper on it, front and back, cut 2 of those trees. There's the little fairy with his present, and put Best Wishes in it's layered up. And I did 2 of each, you know how I do. So you've got, let me see, I put the wrong ones together. So you got him in the lighter color with the little baubles in the back. And then that one. So there's 2 of those. There are 2 of these. So the same elements, same papers. And I did the same thing with the little fairies. I cut them multiple times and layered them up and then put them on top. So you have those, and then you have the last 2. So I'll create some kind of little easy packaging and then I'll put those into it. Okay, so then the next thing I worked on, well actually I worked on these first, but you know how it is, are some roughly 3x3 cards. So I used this die set again. I used the 2 deer, those, this Tim Holtz bow punch, and this Marion Bright from this llama set. It also has dies for that to create some very easy 3x3 cards. And of course they're similar. So this was just a scrap of paper I had from moving things around in my craft room and doing D-stash. So I took it and I was like, oh, okay, I can use that. That's Christmas. So it just says Marion Bright, and you've got that Golden Mary card on there. There's the double bow, and I layered that up too to put like 2 or 3 layers so it would just pop up a little bit. And then this, I just cut this strip with my little paper trimmer just to use up the little ends. And then on the inside, it just has the square to write on and a single layer of the bow. This one has the other deer, so there's 2 with the other deer and 2 with this one. And they're all the same. So this is about as the same as I get. So I did 4 of those. Then I did some cards. I used, what did I use now? I have so much stuff that I made this time, it's crazy. Okay, I used this die again, but I used the Christmas ornaments, or the baubles as they say in the UK. I used those 3. For that, I used some sentiments out of this Anna Griffin's Christmas kit. And I used some sentiments out of this Anna Griffin card kit. Okay. Then I also used the Hunky Dory Twilight Kingdom Christmas pad. So I used some out of there. Okay, which matches those Moonstone dies. So let me put this out of the way so I can show you. And I did 4 of those. There's this one. So here's the piece from the Moonstone. I just used some black cardstock. Here's the Anna Griffin piece. And on the inside, I used another pad because I liked the idea of like white snowflakes on black. So then I just flipped it around. Black on white. And so here's the branch. Oh, I forgot I used a branch too on them. And then there's the ornaments, and you can write your message here. So there's that one. And then here's this one. There's the sentiment from Anna Griffin. And you'll notice I did 2 portrait style, and the other 2 are landscape. Again, the inside with the arrangement of the ornaments. This one, Very Merry Christmas, Anna Griffin. And then the inside has the ornaments in the branch as well. And finally, this one. It says Warm Holiday Wishes. And I like the touch of gold that it gives. And the cream works with this really well too. If I had paper this light of a cream color, I would have used that on the inside. But we used white instead. Well, there you go. So those are my 4, 8, and 6 bits for this week. All right, see you guys later. Go check out the other ladies, and definitely go check out my other channel. All right, see you guys. Bye.